This is the Eastern Idaho Weather Hazard Briefing for Saturday, February 4th. So key points to go through is we're looking at dry weather today. A low pressure system will arrive on Sunday. We're looking for snow accumulations possible even down to the valley floors. Much higher totals are likely across the eastern highlands above 6,000 feet. And we're calling for breezy conditions developing Sunday into Sunday night and lingering into Monday as well. Looking at our satellite image this morning, we just have some high clouds passing through the region. Our storm system we're watching is starting to move onshore today. The weather risk outlook basically highlighting the eastern highlands for some minor impacts from some snow expected to develop for Sunday into Monday. High temperature forecast today, generally looking at highs in the upper 20s to low to mid 30s. Wind gusts today, generally fairly light across the region, generally peak wind gusts in the 10 to 15 mile per hour range. Our low temperatures going into Sunday morning expected to be sub-freezing just about everywhere. And our wind gusts tonight, ahead of that system, we will start seeing some winds picking up into the 20 to 30 mile per hour winds, especially up on the ridgetop levels and down in the eastern Magic Valley. We're not expecting the snow to arrive tonight, or if it does, it will arrive very late in the night, closer to about 5 or 6 o'clock in the morning. Our high temperatures forecast for Sunday, generally looking at highs in the low to mid 30s, maybe some 40s are possible down in portions of the Magic Valley. Our snowfall amounts for Sunday, we're expecting our snow to kind of arrive in two waves. So the first wave arrives Sunday morning, and this is mainly the amounts that you see in our forecast for Sunday. Is most of this occurs Sunday morning, and then we're going to get a break in the action for Sunday afternoon before we get the second round of snow that arrives that night. This is our looking at our peak wind gusts forecast for Sunday, and you see some widespread 20 mile per hour gusts in there, maybe some gusts up to about 30 as well. Our low temperature forecast for Monday morning, calling for temperatures to fall once again below freezing. And then that second wave of snow arrives Sunday night. Once again, for the eastern highlands, looks like they get the most of the snow out of this. The Island Park area could see some total accumulations by the time it's all said and done of close to 4 or 5, maybe even 6 inches in that area. Driggs probably looking at about 3 to 4. So areas south and east of there, somewhat lesser amounts until you get above 6,000 feet, and that's where there's a better chance of seeing 6 inches or greater is above 6,000 feet. Our wind gusts are expected to be rather breezy Sunday night, and you see some very strong gusts down in the Magic Valley. Peak wind gusts 40 to almost 50 miles per hour expected down there Sunday night. High temperature forecast for Monday, generally in the 30s across much of the region. And we just have expecting some lingering snow for Monday morning across the eastern highlands. And our peak wind gust forecast for Monday still rather breezy across the South Hills region and the eastern Magic Valley, seeing some wind gusts up towards 50 miles per hour possible. So just to summarize, dry weather today, low pressure system arrives on Sunday with accumulations possible. Higher totals noted for the eastern highlands above 6,000 feet. And expect breezy conditions to develop Sunday night, and lingering into Monday morning as well. That concludes this morning's briefing. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know. Thank you very much.